Hey there, Clashers. Welcome to another episode of Clash with Quant. It is now our weekly ritual to watch the update and upgrade finish for the Barbarian King, which is the last hero to get to level 30 at Town Hall 9. So here comes the transition to level 22 in 2, 1. Level 22 Barbarian King is ours. Now, first things first, we're going to say hello to number 22, and we're going to use the 105,000 and get him to level 23. So another week, and we'll have level 23. Secondly, let's go ahead and take a look at how many walls were done. So I'm looking at a previous video on the desktop PC, and 216 walls were completed last week. Those are level 10 walls. So let's go ahead and see what we have this week. So 226, 10 level 10 walls were conducted last week. That's pretty good. Converted from level 8 to level 10. Alright, so that's good wall progress. We'll take that any day of the week. And I think next thing we're going to do is look at our treasury. There was full Dark Elixir, because the last time I collected it, I had 190,000 DE in the storages on the Town Hall, so I couldn't collect any of the Dark Elixir. Let's go ahead and start our next upgrade. This upgrade was 105,000 DE, so the next one will be 110,000 DE, and it looks like we're 20,000 DE away from that. So once again, I'm going to try to get the 100,000 DE over the next week to have max DE once again when that level 24 Barbarian King starts, so we will have a good head start on level 25 Barbarian King. So always trying to keep that max, so we're ahead of the game. So there we have it. That's it for another episode of Clash with Quant, Town Hall Line Upgrade Series. Please leave some discussion about your Town Hall Line upgrades. I know it's a grind with the walls and the heroes, but do it. It's very well worth it. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and click the like button while you're here, and we'll see you next time.